Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Glamorous. So, I did do a mini haul from shophush.com. So this is a unboxing review, first impression. I ordered my products on Wednesday and received it today. So it's super fast. So I just got my box, literally like 10 minutes ago, and I decided to hop on here and do a quick first impression, as well as just show you guys what I got. And of course this is in no shape or form of me bragging about anything, so I'm gonna try to cut myself here. Right when you open it up, this is how it comes in. So I'm gonna take it out thing, and this is just the first things that I am grabbing. So first things first is this Elizavecca Milky Piggy Carbonated Bubble Clay Matte. Open it up, and this is the one that bubbles up and foams up. I just really truly wanted to try it. I'm gonna open it up because I want to smell it. I'm so excited. Oh, and it comes with a little spoon thing like this, and how do you smell like? Oh god. I can't explain. Oh my god. I'm so freaking excited. So these next two palettes, I can't really pronounce the names of these. The Okalan S Color Matte Eyeshadow. This is how this one looks like. And when you open it up, how gorgeous. Let me take out the little plastic. Jeez. Yeah, so this is how this one looks. Look at it, it's so gorgeous. So my favorite color right now is Muse. Wow. On the back. Wow. And this one's the other one, and again this is from Okalan? I don't know, I can't remember. Okay, so this one is the earth tone. It has all these pretty shades. Let me just put them up side by side. Next, I got this Glowcomotion Shimmer Highlighter. Bam! Nice camera in there, and this is a shimmer palette. What the? Wow. Look at that. What the front door? This is only $7, guys. $7 freaking. Next, I purchased this City Color Glow Primer Oil. This is how it looks. It's in a dropper. This, they say it adds a natural dewy glow with a couple of two more palettes. I'm so excited already. I'm about to order some more. This one's the Okalan Neutral Eyeshadow Palette. This is how it looks. Yes, these are all glitter. So let me do this blue one right here. Whoa! What? And last but not least, I was actually really excited for this one because this one, the Royals Bad Habit, is a dupe for the modern Renaissance eyeshadow palette. See if you can tell, it's an actual dupe of it. So my favorite color right now is the majestic one that I'm looking at right now, if you can zoom in. So I'm gonna look how creamy and pretty that is. Oh, it's right here. Look how creamy and pretty that is too. Alright guys, so that is my haul. This is my haul for shophush.com. My overall thoughts of the website so far. I haven't really used it, but just from my first impression of it all, I think they are freaking amazing for being so cheap. But I am beyond impressed. I'm impressed with the shipping, the customer service, and how quick they responded to me. I emailed them just to see coupon code for you guys, and I did. It is listed down below for 10% off. Don't forget to download their app as well. And again, this video is not sponsored whatsoever, and I will definitely be shopping there again. So yeah, if you guys have any other questions, please let me know down. I would love to respond to you guys and have a little chit chat down below. Don't forget my giveaway is still going on until the 15th. So good luck. But thank you guys so much, and don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and leave me a comment down below, and we will talk. Alright, until next time, bye!